that we know all the sounds from A to Z, let's revise them one more time. This is the letter A. A makes the sound ah, ah. Come on, repeat it. A makes the sound ah, ah. This is the letter B. B makes the sound b, b. B makes the sound b, b. Come on, repeat. B makes the sound b. This is the letter C. C makes the sound k. C makes the sound k. Come on, repeat it. C makes the sound k. This is the letter D. D makes the sound d, d. Come on, repeat it. D, d. E makes the sound eh, eh. Come on, say it with me. Eh, eh. This is the letter F. F makes the sound f, f. Come on, try it. This is the letter G. G makes the sound g, g. This is the letter H. H makes the sound h, h. Come on, tell. H, h. This is the letter I. I makes the sound ish, ish. Come on, repeat it. Ish, ish. This is the letter J. J makes the sound j, j. Come on, repeat it with me. J, j. This is the letter K. K makes the sound k, k. Come on, repeat it. This is the letter L. L makes the sound l, l. This is the letter M. M makes the sound mm. Come on, repeat it. This is the letter N. N makes the sound Come on, repeat it. This is the letter O. O makes the sound ah, ah. Come on, repeat it. Ah, ah. This is the letter P. P makes the sound. Come on, repeat it. This is the letter Q. Q makes the sound gwa, gwa. Come on, repeat it. Gwa, gwa. This is the letter R. R makes the sound Come on, repeat it. This is the letter S. S makes the sound s, s. Come on, repeat it. This is the letter T. T makes the sound. Come on, repeat it. This is the letter U. U makes the sound ah, ah. Come on, repeat it. Ah, ah. This is the letter V. V makes the sound v, v. Come on, repeat it. V, v. This is the letter W. W makes the sound w, w. Come on, repeat it. W, w. This is the letter X. X makes the sound x, x. Come on, repeat it. X, x. letter Y. Y makes the sound Y. Y. Come on, repeat it. Y. Y. This is the letter Z. Z makes the sound Z. Z. Come on, repeat it. Z. Z. And we also tell it as Z. So, today, friends, we learned all about the sounds from A to Z. Did you all have fun, friends? I had so much fun. Did you? So, friends, this is our day 1 to phonics. Friends, I'll get back to you with more and more videos so that you can learn perfectly. Thanks for watching, friends. Press the bell button to get more notifications of new videos. Bye bye. See you next time, friends.